What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have vz102528, which is a CP style rear diffuser for the Dodge Durango, fitting 2014 models to 2026. Now let me get this out of the bag and I can show you everything it comes with. Now guys, I do have a screwdriver because all you need to do to fully assemble this is have a screwdriver to install these two side pieces, which you should have a left and a right of. And then you should also have a bag included with some screw rivets and metal screws themselves. Now, if I pull these out, you'll see on the inside here, there's 3 screw tabs sticking out where the side pieces will mount into and then be screwed into place on the inside. And then on the inside of these, they will be marked for you guys, left and right. And then it should just slide right into place, like so. And then you could take your actual screws on the inside of the bag and then fully assemble it. And then your screw rivets here are for whenever you go ahead to install it, you can use for right here on these 2 tabs whenever you're installing it to the underside of your bumper. Now that's pretty much it for the CP style rear diffuser. And as you guys can see, it'll mount up onto the car underneath the fender as well. Now, that's pretty much it for the Dodge Durango rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos just like this one, go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.